This segment is brought to you by Aimpoint.
Hey gang, Larry Vickers here, Vickers Tactical Channel. Today I have an Aimpoint training tip for you. This is all about shooting on the move. Weapon we're going to use, Sig Sauer AG 553P and 300 Blackout. This is imported by my buddy Dave Wagner down in Texas. As a pistol, I've turned it into an SBR. Optic is an Aimpoint patrol rifle optic on top. Great tool to show you and talk to you about shooting on the move. I'm a big believer and you should train for this whenever you get a chance, because remember, when the bullets start flying both ways, people start moving. Whether it's handgun or a long gun, you need to be practicing shooting on the move. When are you doing it right? Well, the target will tell you that. Really, your aim point will tell you that. You'll see the red dot on the target, and then that's a great thing about something like an aim point. All I got to do is put the red dot on the target and pull the trigger. I don't have to line up a rear sight or front sight in the target. When you're doing it right, you're going to see a horizontal figure eight or an infinity sign. That's what you're going to see. So when you're up here, it's going to be like a shaky figure eight. Looks like this. You're going to see that in the kill zone of the target, and when you do, you pull the trigger. When you're doing it wrong, you're not going to see that. You're going to see sharp V's or check marks on the target where it's bouncing up and down, right? Your red dot's going to tell you that. What are you doing wrong? Well, use your lower body to your advantage. You got to put it to work. When I lay my feet down, I want to put them down in a heel-toe roll fashion, like rolling forward, like tank treads. Find the width of step that works best for you. Generally, it's armpit or narrower that works best for you to minimize the side-to-side sway. Most importantly, those knees flexing. Don't just bend the knees, you gotta flex the knees. You gotta feel it in your thighs when you're doing it. Visualize carrying a cup of coffee or a bowl of soup that's filled all the way to the brim and you wanna keep it from spilling. If you visualize that and what your lower body's doing, that's what you wanna do when you're practicing shooting on the move. Now with a weapon like this or any long gun, I wanna grab that gun along the bore line and pull it straight back in my shoulder. If you watch my channel, you see tons of videos of long guns and those barrels like to corkscrew and turn in a circle. Well, that's the issue with these long guns. They like to do that to you when you're shooting. If you grab the gun along the bore line and pull it straight back in your shoulder, you're going to minimize that corkscrew fashion. A red dot sight like this Aimpoint is a great piece of kit for practicing shooting on the move because it works in a wide variety of lighting conditions. You don't have to worry about lining up a rear sight and a front sight and a target. You simply put the red dot on the target, and when you see it in an acceptable wobble zone, you pull the trigger. Hey, special thanks to Aimpoint for presenting this critical training tip. If you need more instruction or guidance on shooting on the move, feel free to come to one of my pistol or carbine classes. You can find them at aztectraining.com or go to my website, vickerstactical.com. Stay safe. We'll see you guys next time. LAV out. Hey, Larry Vickers here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click here to subscribe to the Vickers Tactical channel and take time out to check out some of our other favorite videos.